Yo, what up, Kipto here? You guys already know the drill. We're doing character drawings today, episode number 4. You guys pick the traits, I draw their fate. Let's dive into it. Okay, I like where Jamie's head's at. He's just straight up going for it. I'm thinking about Leonidas from 300. Spear and shield, ready for action. Boom, let's do it.
This is Sparta! Spartans! What is your profession?
Now I'm gonna get jazzed up and inspired to draw these guys by playing one of my favorite games, Raid Shadow Legends. I'll show you why it's so fun, but shh, it's our little secret. So these are my champions right here so far. We have this badass orc man. Boom, look at this lizard man here. The Sacred Order, which are kind of like medieval style. The Dark Elves with this sexy huntress right here. Look at this. Everything is so well done and designed so well. So I'm trying to get some new ones. Let's go to the portal right here, and I'm gonna open up some of these shards. We got a full-on chopper right here. All right, now that I have a few extra champions on hand, I head to my tavern, take these crappier ones here, and I can wring out their necks and squeeze out all their life juice to upgrade my guy right here. Boom, look at him, fueled up cannibal style. And they just unleashed the new tag team arena mode. This is an upgrade from the classic arena where you actually get a series of 3 4 versus 4 battles, taking your PvP battles to the next level. They're giving out special rewards for higher ranking players. So download the game now using the link in my description to get an exclusive welcome pack including 100,000 silver, 1 energy refill, 10 mystery shards, and this guy, Mr. Slasher. You can find your rewards in your inbox for the next 30 days only. Totally free to download. You got nothing to lose. Play the game. Do it. Let's draw. We got Felix W. He's a basketball player. He's got a big long request here. He says, I wonder if it's possible if you could draw a basketball player on the court and he's about to make a sick move like out dribbling another player. It would be nice if the basketball player would look like a young man about 18 to 20 years old, white and with really short hair looking kind of like me. Okay, I'll do my best. I don't know what you look like, but that's a pretty generic description here. You know, I ain't a baller, but I'm a drawer. No, that wasn't it. That sucked. All right, Wouter P, he's trying to get a human male with a goatee and rounded glasses that's an astronaut with a guitar. Just chilling in space. But if he plays the guitar in space, does it make any noise? All right, next up we got order number 420. You want to hit this? It's Luke S, and he wants a Kraken Sailor with Kipto's Choice and blue. One more Kraken for the books here as a sailor. That's kind of, I feel like it's an oxymoron. The Kraken's the one eating the sailors, but I like this little switcheroo. All right, next up we got Adrian A. He's trying to get a bear blacksmith with a hammer in blue. Straightforward, I like it, let's do it. All right, next up we got S. He's trying to get a robot with Kipto's Choice with a gun and purple. He said, I'd love for you to draw inspiration from the skull robots of an artist called Gerald SNG. All right, I'll have to look that guy up and see what we can come up with.
Don't forget to charge me. I am running low on battery. I'm in critical danger, please plug me in. I told you to plug me in, you stupid motherfucker. Well done, silly boy.
.434, Matthew O'Brien, he wants a reptile ninja with a sword and green. All right, that's enough of the digital stuff. On to the big boy traditional stuff. We're doing regular materials on regular paper. You get a full-on product, an original piece of work by me. Let's see what they got here. All right, first one's going out to Erica M. She ordered a Viking gladiator with red and a hint of gold with angel wings. She wanted to be like a badass female Viking chick. I've been drawing my fair share of dudes, and it's time for me to swing back over to the other side. Give females back some power, baby. Let's make some sexy, fierce chicas. I'm gonna attempt some toothbrush action here. Get a little splatter effect going in here. Here goes nothing. Ooh! Like a really fine mist. All right, so are you guys ready for the last drawing for this episode? Let's do it. It's a former client of mine, Michelle Goodwin. She actually hired me back in like 2016 to do her whole garage. It was like 2 big walls of her garage. We painted all these sexy female warriors and superheroes so she could get inspired every day and like have this really cool energy in her house. She wants a badass female warrior, just wants to work my magic. She's gonna have a sword and have it be turquoise. All right, these painted chingonas are ready. Are you? Check them out.